up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to go down there and hit that subscribe button. And if you've been here, one of my A1 day ones, welcome back, y'all. Miss y'all. How y'all doing? What y'all doing? No. So today's video, I am going to be doing a braces video. All my brace face gang. I'm going to be showing you guys the tools that I use to make my braces journey easy and convenient and quick. Okay, now that I found my little combination, boom pow. So I'm going to be showing you guys my secrets and all the tools that I use. Shh, my secrets. Don't tell nobody else. Keep it on the DL, okay? So yeah, if you guys want to see the tools that I use for my braces, stick around to the end of this video. Alright, you guys, time to get lit. Time to turn up for these braces. Alright, y'all. What you do without braces, you have to double it. You basically have to do everything you do regularly with your teeth times 2. Literally. The cleaning process with braces is the tedious part of having braces. Like, the tedious, okay? Because there's so much you have to do. But if we want our teeth to be super shiny and clean, you know, we have to do it. I'm the type of person that don't like to do too much, you know. I don't want to have too much. If I can make something the simplest, the easiest way possible, sign me up. The first thing I have is a Sonic electric toothbrush, you guys. It's from Fairy Wheel. I purchased this off of Amazon, and when I tell you this is the best toothbrush I ever had. First things first, while you have braces, you want to purchase an electric toothbrush. It's not a must, like you don't have to, but it's super clean, and plus it's convenient. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with the electric toothbrush, which is a chargeable toothbrush. You will charge this toothbrush like overnight. The charge lasts a month. So you only have to charge this one time for a whole month. Then it also comes with 2 replaceable brush heads, which is amazing. We're supposed to replace our toothbrush, I believe, every 2 to 3 months. They're right here. You already have backup. So all you gotta do is pop it off, okay? Convenient, easy. You don't have to go out and spend extra money on extra toothbrushes. This right here is just a little gift they give you. I believe this is just like a polishing brush head. Like a whitening polishing brush head. This is what it looks like. If you guys use like any whitenings or anything like that. I'm not going to use it. Not right now anyway. So you want to polish your teeth? There you go. Yeah. So with this toothbrush, it has 5 different modes on it. It has a white mode, a clean mode, a sensitive mode. It also has a polish mode and a massage mode. So I will let you guys hear the different vibrations. So this right here is the white mode, the clean mode, sensitive mode, the polishing mode. And then this right here is the massage mode. To the bristles, at the ends you have longer bristles, and then in the middle you have shorter bristles, which is shaped like teeth to me. For the longer bristles, it gets in your gums and everything, so you will get an extra clean with this. I highly recommend this toothbrush. It also has, if you order it, you have a month to use it, I believe, and if you don't like it, you can return it with 100% money back guarantee. At least take a shot, you know. If you don't want to, take my word for it. You know, you can just buy a new toothbrush every 2 months, or keep buying it when you can just get a toothbrush that lasts for about like a whole year, okay? So yeah, this toothbrush is really good. The next is this floss right here is the Platypus Oral Flosser, and this is the easiest way to floss your teeth ever, especially for braces. Like, whoever came up with this, you're amazing, and you was really looking out for us. POP, you was holding it down, okay? So you have this top part which goes into your teeth, and then you have like a little bristle to get any food or anything out. Putting this into your teeth, you guys, this floss go literally in between your brackets and your teeth, using this small part right here, which goes into your brackets. And yeah, easiest way to floss. Get you some Platypus flossers, okay? You also want to make sure that you're using a mouthwash. This right here is the Listerine. You can see I'm almost done. Like when I use it and I gargle, I be like, ooh, it's burning, it's working. Get all the bacteria out, you know. You guys can also use this right here. This right here is just an oral mouthwash. I personally use this as after brush. So after I brush my teeth, I'll just put some of this on my toothbrush and go in to fully clean my teeth as a mouthwash. You just put water in it to kind of dilute it. And, you know, just wash your mouth. It's sensitive to your gums and it prevents gingivitis just like this. And it's like a second clean. So I'll use this and I'll also use this. Next, you also want to go to any store, Target, Walmart, grocery stores, and get you a traveling size toothbrush and toothpaste on the go because you guys want to continue to brush your teeth. With braces, you have to double that. So